I've had the privilege of working with Melody for the last 10 years, and during that time she's had several different positions in HR. But in every one of those positions, she has always embraced the responsibility of her calling, whether it's assisting new hires with benefit options, if it is helping employees with FMLA when they've had a difficult medical situation, or when she's had to relieve the fears and anxieties of employees during a global pandemic. She has worked tirelessly, nights, weekends, holidays. She has personally talked to every employee that was affected, whether it was a positive test result or it was an exposure situation. No matter what the situation was, that every employee felt special, that they felt important and valued, and make sure that they understood the ever-changing situation with the CDC guidelines. So in all of those situations, she has always used kindness and patience and helped employees and reassured them through every one of those situations they've encountered.